here that's apart. I just need to using condensed glue gels right here. I don't know if I want to do some. Maybe I will. I might use a chains though. It looks cool to do the chains, you think? So now I am going to apply it again because I'm gonna lay the chains right here because she's really pretty. I call her she's because she's getting a so chassis right here. And only I think maybe the chains can be really like tone her down a little bit, or else if I put some crystal on it, it's gonna be a lot going on. All right, so I think I'm gonna lay her in like this along with this. And now I'm going to coat, floating on the top of this with the no wipe top coat. So then this no wipe top coat and unclear condensed glue gels will hold my crystal, my charm, and my chains in one place, and it will not going anywhere. Hi Jamie. I am doing well, Live Raz. Thanks so much, love, for always supporting us. We appreciate it so much, Live Raz. You're always so good to us and supporting us. There's so many different chains. I'm so obsessed with this. I can't wait to do so many. Like, okay, I don't know which one I'm gonna use now. That's from a thin one to a thick one. Maybe I get this. Oh. There's so many of them. Sorry, I'm just like a little kid's going to a toy store and say, oh, wait. Like, there's so many of them. And so a lot of you were asking about this one. There was like on the websites as well. There's so many, like a little one like this, there's so many. Let me see what I'm gonna do with this. Great. All right. Good. So I'm going to cut it. Of course, my crystal pickers, well, crystal remover here. And then if any of you are trying to get this one and we are out, just stay tuned. I think this is, I believe it's gonna be back in stock really soon, sometime this week. So please stay tuned. Don't be disappointed, it's gonna be there. Yes. All right. So just keep the rest so you can using with the different nails. And I am going to using again my super cute beads and frame collections. This one is a smaller one. Should be using a little bit. Did I put the condensed glue gel there? Right there. I might. Let me see. This one's smaller. But okay, I get another one. I get a bigger one here. It's fit perfect right here. And great. And you can do this in the different color, which is the my Bahamas right there. Smaller one. Great. And we are going to cure this one for 60 seconds. You can dress it up more. I think it's gonna be gorgeous. However you would like, you can do the same colors, you can do different color. You can do like a smaller, or you can move your flowers up a little bit, and you can do half of the flowers on these beautiful nails. I think it looks cute. However you would like to dress it. All right, so I'm going to cure this one and doing it with pre-seasoned glues on this. You know what? Hold on. Life Fast, say hi. Heels. Oh, thank you, Sarah. You know what? I believe I didn't do the top coat on it. And I don't know if anyone to remind me. Oh, Misha. Yes, you can check out you can find them on Glitz Accessory and such. And it's linked right below where we pin it. Okay, I'm going to place the top coat. Okay, is this nails a little bit different from beginning when I do? So just if you get a little bit confused, which is totally fine, and you can re-watching them if this is totally different from a lot of others videos we're doing with this. I'm gonna coat this, cap completely this one. And then before that, I did using a condensed glue gel to start with my 40 because I need a little bit sticky later for my 4D. It's gonna bond really well, which is awesome. So you will never have to worry about, and either if you don't have a condensed glue gels on that, because the reason is I encapsulating glitter, so I need condensed glue gel to really bond it down to the nails polish, gel polish. But if you're doing is without encapsulating, you can using the base gels in here for 15 seconds, and then you can start sculpting your 40 gels. But this is in this case a little bit different than a lot of others nails that we design, because we encapsulating and we do 40 and do crystal placement, so it's a little bit different. And I cap whole and tie my chain totally fine. You can do it on your charms, your chains, and your beads, but do not apply it over on the top of your crystals, as it's gonna ruin the sparkle, the cut, and the size of it. So I am going to keep it for 60 seconds. Let's see. Oh, thank you, Bonnie. I'm glad you like it. Debbie was here. I think Debbie was here earlier. Nailed it by Sue. No worry, you can always be watching this. We did using, I believe I did using a pure white 40 gels. I have it right here, and I did pick few of them, like few beads. It's really cool, super. It's not gonna dry until you cure it, so it's gonna be so much fun to play with this. We're gonna continue to do a lot of 40, so much fun. Sarah did really cool different ideas. She's molded that and she's sculpting it on the frame to make it like a pendant. It looks really stunning. So feel really good, and it dry. It doesn't have any tacky layer. I don't feel any textures at all. And now to double secure, I am going to using our hi Wendy, how are you? On Facebook, I just want to make sure that I see all of you, and I didn't get to wave back to everyone. I was here, try to not missing any step for all of you. All right, so I am going to double check, and like I'm gonna check, and I feel scratchy right here. Like you see how the chains is, I really feel the texture of it. You want to make sure you cap like or seals on all the edges and cracks from this chain, so then it will not catching on the client's hair, or even if you're wearing it for your nails. I will try to seal everything, so then I don't have to worry like catching on my hair, anything. So each time you use gonna be squeezed out just a little bit. You don't need a whole lot. It's smaller, a little, go a long way. So I'm gonna cure this one for 60 seconds, and this our beautiful nails is done.